code. So till now we have like most of you have mainly worked with Toad. If your company has provided that license tool, or most of you have already worked on SQL developer tool. But sometimes if anyone wants to work with Visual Studio, so Oracle has provided a new plugin for the SQL developer. So it has provided excellent look and feel. So you can go to extensions, and from here you can just search SQL developer. uh, SQL developer you can search. Just a minute now. SQL developer. Yeah, this tool. And developer. Yeah, this tool. So you have to just go and click and just add this plugin as it has already installed my in my Visual Studio, so it is not allowing me. So you can just go and just install this plugin in your Visual Studio code. After that, once you install this thing in your Visual Studio, what will happen? This icon will come to your Visual Studio, and you can just go and click it here. Okay, after clicking it here, you if you want to create new connection, you can just click and provide your connection name. Everything it's similar to SQL developer, but it's a look and feel while you are querying, and it has provided many of the suggestions to you. I will show it to you. So it's a very good look and feel and everything here. Okay, and it's easy to use. Okay, now suppose from here you can just go and create your connection. Once you are done with your create connection, all the tables schema related to that connection will come it here. Okay, if you, and after from by clicking it here, you can just go and just run any of your query. Okay, also suppose if I want to see any of the data present in my any of the table, you see you can just go and click and just see. So like it's a look and feel and everything, it's showing excellent to me. So I hope you can also like this thing once you are going with the same thing. Okay, one more thing, along with these things, it has provided some SQL snippet for us for helping us. So sometimes if you want to see what are the analytical function which are present in Oracle, so it has provided these things to us. Okay, and sometimes you want to see what are the aggregate function which is present in Oracle, so it is providing some code SQL snippets for you. Along with that, like date formats. Okay, how we can conversion, all these things it has provided to us. Okay, I hope it's a very good tool. Like if we get a chance to work on with the help of this tool. Also, if you see here, sometimes hints while you are writing any of your PLSQL code, if you want to see what are the hints, Oracle hints which you can provide, from here you can go and just see. Okay, I can just go and just search and use that hint. So these are the some good things which has been provided by Oracle. I hope once you go with this thing, you will like this thing. This extension which has been provided by Oracle. Thank you.